Hey, what's up YouTube? This video, we have the EUHOMY L1 Pro Nugget ice maker. They were kind enough to actually send this to me to try out, so thank you to them for that. And we'll go ahead and dive into the box here. And you notice I pulled it straight out of the top of the box, and the reason I did that is this has refrigerant in it, and it does tell you in the instructions to let it sit in the upright position for 24 hours before you plug it in. And I've done that, and so I didn't want to flip it over again, so that's why I pulled it straight out of the box. Right, and what was actually in the box, we have the manual, which I downloaded online and just perused a little bit before I jumped into this. And we got our ice maker itself. I'm going to go through and make sure we get all the packaging and stuff out of it. Have our nice little ice scoop here. Container. And I think that's about it for the inside. And on the side of it here, there's this little thing here that pops out. That's to hang your ice scoop on. Very cool. And the instructions do mention to give everything kind of a nice little wipe down and a little cleaning before you use the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll also download and connect the app, and then we'll see if we can make some ice. So I went ahead and cleaned it all up here and wiped it down, and then I pulled the drain plug on the bottom to drain the water out, and it's right here, and then it just simply pulls out and then plugs back in. And then I did some testing on it on accident, not totally understanding how it works. So it will make what they consider a batch of ice. It's supposed to do in 8 to 10 minutes, and I didn't know that, so I let it run, and it took about 2 hours to run through the whole tank. And we got about this much ice out of it. This thing was actually full. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to run it, and we'll go for 10 minutes. I'll show you how much ice it makes, and then we'll let it run another 10 minutes, and I'll show you how much ice you get out of that. And then also we do have our power button here. When you press this, it does turn it on to start making ice. It'll be blue. If it's out of water, it's going to be amber colored. And if your ice tray is full, it should turn purple. But I have not actually filled the tray to see it turn purple. And also, just wanted to show you guys the app. I've already synced to the device. Got it right here. And from the app here, we're able to actually turn it on and make ice. You can turn the light on and off. It says clear, but that's the cleaning cycle. And then one kind of cool thing about this also is you can actually schedule it to run. So if you put water in it and go to work or something, you can have it make ice so it's there when you get home. That's one of the cool things about the app. And so it does try to run, and eventually it's going to realize it doesn't have enough water in it, and that'll turn yellow. We're not going to, oh, there it goes, turn yellow, and I turned it off. But anyway, what we'll do now is we've got some water that has been in the fridge. So it's not room temperature. The colder the water, the faster the thing will make ice. Now, I'm in Florida. We have hard water where I'm at, so I just happen to have some distilled water. Normally, I wouldn't have distilled water, but since I do, I'm going to go ahead and use it, and we should get nice, clear ice out of it. So we're going to open it up, take the tray out, and right here we have our max fill line, which is probably going to be hard to see. It's got the white on white writing. And we will go ahead and just fill it to the max, even though, like I said, it does take 2 hours or so to run through an entire tank of water. And then this thing is not a refrigerator, so the ice will just melt back into it if you leave it in there. Then you can make ice again with it if you so choose. So we got it filled up to the line. And then from here, simply put our ice tray back in. And I'm going to go ahead and just press the button, and now it's going to start making ice. And then we will check back here in about 10 minutes, and I'll show you how much we have, and then we'll run one more 10-minute cycle. All right, so there's 10 minutes. That's what they're going to consider like one batch. And I'll show you how much we got here. So that's how much it ran in 10 minutes. Got maybe like a half a scoop full. And we'll go ahead and put it back in here, let it run another 10 minutes. And we'll show you how much we end up after that. All right, so let it run 20 minutes here, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you how much ice we got. I'm going to go ahead and just push the button here to shut the machine off. And open it up here, grab a little scoop, and that's how much ice we got there in 20 minutes. Let me transfer it into a different container so you can see it a little bit better here. All right. So about 2 scoops here we've got in 20 minutes, and of course you can let it run longer, make even more ice. And so let me just show you too how much water that it actually used in the 20 minutes. It's actually not very much. So here's our max fill line. That's what was filled up to, and then the water is just down to here. So it doesn't use a whole lot of water in 20 minutes. And you got a whole bunch more water in there. It can make, fill up probably just close to that entire container. And I don't have a whole lot more to add to this. I think it's pretty cool if you're in the market for a countertop ice maker. The link is in the description to the website if you want to check it out. And they were actually kind enough to give a promo code of RUST2, which can save you a couple bucks if you decide to buy one. So I'd just like to thank EUHOMY again for sending this to me and letting me try it out. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.